From YouTube setting, change your preference video language. What if I tell you, also you can access all of this model, Claude Opus 5 Thinking, Claude Opus 5, completely for free. If I type something, let's say hi, as you can see, it's completely working perfectly. And I guarantee if you watch this entire video without any skip, also you can use it completely for free. I don't know why, but I already used completely word 3 times. Okay, first of all, come to this Notion page and copy the website link from here. Otherwise, you can directly open the website from here. And now if you're thinking, why you use this link? Because it's a referral link and from here you can get extra $20 token. That's why after creating your first account from this referral link, also you can share your referral link in this video comment section to help each other. Now open your browser and paste this link. Then you will be redirected to this website. But now I am using the normal website link. Here as you can see, you have to sign up or sign in with your normal Gmail account or GitHub account. So click on this continue with GitHub option. Now if you already have an GitHub account, so it will show for authentication. Click on this authentication option. Then it will take some time and as you can see we successfully log in our account. So we are going to use this account for API key. Now if you scroll down, here you can see without any referral link you successfully got $100 token. One more important thing, when you log in this website, sometimes you can see this type of error. But don't worry, this is just a temporary server error and it's so when many users try to access together. So I prefer if you facing the issue, just refresh the website few times. If it still doesn't work, try again at a different time like midnight, morning, afternoon. Now if I change my Gmail and try to sign in again and again choose continue with GitHub, then authenticate my GitHub account. As you can see, I successfully created another account. Also again here I got $100 token. So till now we successfully got $200 token and this is only from normal link, not referral link. And I know many of you till now don't have any GitHub account. So don't worry, just come to this website again. Here when you click on continue with GitHub, it will show an option for create a GitHub account. And from here you can directly create your GitHub account. Click on this continue with Google option, then wait some time and choose your Gmail account. After selecting your Gmail, it will start for verification. So just wait for some time. Then you will see this type of interface. Here choose a username, tick the box and create your new account. After successfully creating your new account, it will ask for authentication. So without any delay, click on this authenticate option. Then you will see your account is ready for use. And also here you will get $100 free token. So now our total balance is $300. After all of this, we have to create an API key. So for an API key, come here, then click on this create API key option and here choose a name, whatever you want. So enter your name and then scroll down. From here you can set your API key validation date, but now I will leave it as it is. On this unlimited code option, then save these changes. After save it, as you can see, we successfully created our API key. Now before start the main process, as you can see, we need only few subscribers to reach 1.2k. So if you are new in my channel and find it helpful, please hit the subscribe button. And from this Telegram community link, you can join our Telegram channel to get access this Notion page. And one more request, before start the main process, please like the video. Now for use this API key, open your browser and search Claude, then come to this Claude website and download Claude from here. And after successfully downloaded Claude, open your Claude app. After opening the Claude app, here you have to enable this developer mode option. But I also done this before. So for enable this mode, open this help option and here in fifth row, you will see a developer mode option. Just enable it, then open this developer mode and select third-party configuration inference and you will see this type of interface. Here select this connection option as gateway. Then change this option as static API key. After select this option, now we need the gateway URL. Open this Notion page and copy the website get URL from here. Then paste it here in URL option. Now we need the API key. So simply copy the API key from the website and paste this API key here API key section. Then scroll down and set this option as X API key. Then run this test connection option 2 to 3 times. And when it connecting, please like the video and add a comment you successfully get it or not. Okay, as you can see, we successfully connected our gateway in our first trial. Now select apply changes and click on save and restart. Then wait for some time. It will auto relaunch the desktop app. Don't change anything when it auto relaunching. Now after some time, as you can see, it relaunch the app. And here all your previous data will be saved when you change API key. Now in model section, as you can see, we successfully got Claude Opus 5 Thinking, Claude Opus 5 and Claude 4.8. Now let's say hi and hit enter. As you can see, it start processing. In gateway connection, for first time it can take some time. So don't worry about it. And as you can see, we successfully get our response. And I know most of you have probably already left this video. But if you are still watching, this little 300 worth of free API access is my gift to you. If you get it, please let me know in the comment. Also tell me whether you want a dedicated video on Fable 5 or not. And please don't forget to like this video. So use it while it's still available. And don't worry, I will figure out another workaround very soon. Love you all. Take care of your health. And if you want, you can check out these suggested videos. So that's it for today's video. And I am going to take a nap. Bye.